What's up guys, I'm going to do a very fast walk through video on using Crypto Bubbles app. You can just head over to Google Play Store or App Store and download this app. The name is Crypto Bubbles. So what Crypto Bubbles usually do is you can just use it to look at how each coin is performing in the market, and each coin is being divided into different kind of bubbles. We have the big, small and medium bubbles. The big one is also the large one. You can see them on my screen right here. The bigger the bubbles, the bigger the market cap. If each bubble has positive sign, it means that the market is, or the coin is having positive movement or uptrend based on the settings you give it. Maybe it is 24-hour time frame or a week time frame that you are using. So now let me just click on this Asta coin, which this one is having a very big bubbles. You can just drag the bubbles if you don't like the position it is. So if I click on it now, you can see that the market cap is very big. You look at the value right here, and the ranking in this app is 75. This is the current price of the Asta coin, and you can literally drag your mouse on the screen and see the price over time. I'm currently using the day time frame, which is also known as 24-hour time frame. So when I cut it off like this, let's assume you are looking for a app and you are not seeing it on the bubble screen like this. Just click on this search icon at the top right here. When you click on it, you can literally search for the coin. Let's say I want to search for Bitcoin now. You can just click on it and search for it. Look at the market cap of the coin and look at the current market value right here. You can just use this and drag it on the screen to see how the price is doing. And this is the current 24-hour volume. I'm still going to explain deeper about all this, but I'm just doing a walk through video. Another thing I should explain about this is you can literally change or manipulate the look of how this app look like. Click on this pencil icon at the top here. You can change the period or the time frame from day to week to months, 3 months or to 12 months. So if you change each of them, the look of the bubble is going to be different. Let's say I change it to months now. Let me come back. You can see I'm having a very big bubbles. This is telling you that how the market or the coin has performed over 30 days cycle or a month cycle. But if I change it to 24 hours now, it is going to be giving me the market movement for a day or 24 hour. Let me go back now. You can see I'm having the smaller bubbles back again. So that is just what the period or the time frame does. Another thing I should explain is click on these three lines right here. Sorry, four lines. When you click on it, you have a lot of coins right here. If you are not seeing the one you want, just click on the search icon here, then you search for it with your keyboard. Another thing is click on this settings. When you click on it, you can literally change the look of the bubbles. You can change it from red to green to yellow and blue. So let me go back to the bubbles. You see I'm having a very beautiful yellow and blue. The blue is literally representing when the market is having an uptrend, and the light yellow is representing the moment at which the market is having a downtrend or negative market movement. So but let me change it back to red and green. That is what each trader uses in the market. You go back to it. So that is just the literal walkthrough about this app. Thank you guys for watching.